4 clues to guess the card. What is it? I'm Mark. This is English Fluency Practice. This is the card guessing game. I will give you 4 clues. You guess what is behind the card. In our last video, I gave you these 4 clues. Let's review the 4 clues and find out what is behind the card, shall we? Okay, here we go. Clue number 1. It's a small rectangular bag. It's a small rectangular bag. Clue 2. It's used to carry papers, documents, or a laptop. It's used to carry papers, documents, or a laptop. Clue 3. It's often used by professionals. It's often used by professionals. And clue number 4. It has a handle. It has a handle. What is it? Do you know? Well, let's find out. Here we go. Drum roll. And it is a briefcase. Yes, it's a briefcase. It's small. It's rectangular, right? It's used to carry papers, documents, maybe a laptop computer, right? So you put papers in it, documents in it, your computer in it. It's used by professionals, or, we might say white collar workers, people who have to, they go to work, they have a desk, they have to take work home with them and bring it back to the office. They are professionals. And of course, it has a handle. You carry it with the handle. There it is, right there on top. The handle. Okay, great job. Well, as you know, there is something else behind the card. Are you ready? Okay, let's find out. I will give you 4 clues. The topic is business, and here are the 4 clues. 2. What is behind the card? Here we go. Clue number 1. It's a large building where things are made. It's a large building where things are made. Clue 2. Workers use machines and tools inside. Workers use machines and tools inside. Clue 3. It produces goods and products. It produces goods and products. Clue number 4. It can be found in industrial areas. It can be found in industrial areas. What is it? Well, you have to come back for the next video to find out what is behind the card. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please go to Patreon, check out those worksheets. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.